Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn, and all my links are down below. If you'd like to sign up under me, it's $24.99 per month, but you get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. They have 2 skeins of yarn each month with a booklet of patterns, and you get to pick which membership you would like. Also, if you go to amyscrochetpatterns.com right here, you can go to patterns and click on any one of these. So miscellaneous, click close, and you can click on any of these pictures. As soon as you click on them, it'll take you right to the pattern. So let's go for the star, and it'll take you right here. It's really easy to do for navigating my blog here. And also my books are Crochet for Beginners, paperback, audio, and ebook, and crochet hats for beginners. You can take a look. All links are down below. And you can go to my Etsy store. I have 97 products. I have digital products for crochet printables. They're great charts for helping while crocheting. Calendars, thank you, gift tags, crochet patterns, more calendars, crochet pattern, digital products. I have a digital planner, digital stickers, vintage patterns here. The other two, this one I created here, created this one and this one here, and vintage yarn vintage patterns, some digital tags and mugs and shirts that are crochet related, bags, crochet related bags, mugs, and a lot of this stuff is going to go away in the next couple of months. I'm not going to keep everything in the store because the way Etsy works, you do it every 4 months and then you can renew if you want to, and I'm not going to renew everything. So make sure if you want anything in the next couple of months to do so. There's only just like maybe a handful of things I'm going to keep in my store because when you renew you have to pay for it. Also, let's see who the winner is. Lori Coffee, congratulations. So my email is down below. Contact me with your address so I can mail it out to you. Thank you everybody for participating. Please come back for more giveaways and videos, and come back for my latest videos that I've had lately. Okay, so thank you for watching.